How do I transfer my data from my old Apple ID to my new one?
Hello there. In today's video, we're going to learn how to transfer data from your old Apple ID to a new one. We all know that our Apple ID holds a lot of valuable information, from photos to contacts and app data. So, when you want to switch to a new Apple ID, it's crucial to bring that information along with you.
What can and can't be transferred?
Before we dive into the process, let's take a look at what can and can't be transferred between Apple IDs. Can be transferred: iCloud photos, contacts, calendars, reminders, notes cannot be transferred. Purchases made from Apple services, Apple Cash, iCloud storage. Please note, while you can't directly transfer some data, there are ways to access them on your new Apple ID.
How to transfer iCloud data?
Here's how you can transfer your iCloud data like photos, contacts, calendars, reminders, and notes to a new Apple ID. 1. Sign out of your old Apple ID on all your devices. 2. Sign in with the new Apple ID. 3. Turn on the iCloud services you want to use. Once turned on, the data will start syncing to your new account. Remember, this method won't transfer your purchase history or subscriptions.
How to access purchases from old Apple ID?
To access purchases from your old Apple ID, follow these steps. 1. Open the App Store or iTunes Store. 2. Sign in with your old Apple ID. 3. Download the apps or songs you want to keep. 4. Sign out of your old Apple ID. 5. Sign back in with your new Apple ID. The content will stay on your device, but updates for the apps must be done by signing into the old Apple ID. That's all there is to it. I hope this video has been useful in showing you how to transfer your data from an old Apple ID to a new one. As you can see, the process is quite straightforward, and within a few steps, you'll have your new Apple ID up and running with all your important data. Remember to sign out of your old Apple ID on all devices, and happy transferring!